Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford Maverick LARIAT. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2-liter EcoBoost engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, backup camera. We do get a nice tonneau cover. We do get a tough bed and spray liner with mud flaps on the rear and front with a side view camera and blind spot detection. You do get remote start with this vehicle as well. And moving to the front, we have front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice smoke truffle interior, some black accents, orange accents as well, plenty of door space in the back with some orange accents right there. Floor mats with a carpeted interior. You got some storage here as well. We do get underseat storage too, which is pretty freaking handy, with a hook, 2 USB-Cs, and 120 volt. And of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same interior we saw in the back there, but we get the additional Maverick logo. Plenty of door space up front, B&O sound system, lights, trailer brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 63 kilometers. We do get this heated leather wrap steering wheel, toggle for your screen, drive modes, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, but you can go through My View, Trip and Fuel, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, navigation, and other settings. For your drive modes, you do get normal, sport, tow and haul, eco, and slippery. And to my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, auto stop, auto start, tons of storage with cup holders. You even get a wireless charging pad right there and more storage. Engine start, you got your 12 volt there and a powered rear window opener, which is pretty freaking handy. And USB, USB-C, volume, playback, play forward. Clicking here, we got a 360 view of our vehicle, hazards, max temp, auto hold, vents, storage below, storage above, and here we got a nice 13.2 inch touchscreen. Clicking into home, we do get navigation, audio, phone, settings, features and apps, climate control at the bottom with dual climate, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, all that fun. And for your navigation, this is what it looks like. Little red dots showing you where your vehicle's been, which is pretty freaking handy. And your audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. Pretty handy. We can add our phone right there. Settings. Features, such as your towing, owner's manual, all that jazz. And any apps you may have downloaded will show up right here with your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA30665, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.